In my hand I have the FKM Rubber MONTREUX strap. It retails for £36. Let's do a review. So MONTREUX is a company based in Seattle, Florida. However, their straps are made in China. They were sent to me for free. I don't have to return the straps. However, I'm under no obligation whatsoever to say anything favourable about the straps. This is a genuine, honest review. Now with that, I'm going to hand over to my past self to unbox these straps. So let's do a quick unboxing, shall we? We have two boxes and they both feel really nice. Very smooth card with just a simple MONTREUX logo at the front. And on the back, we have just a description saying it's FKM Rubber and it was made in China and the company's based in Seattle. So let's open it up, shall we? Oh, that's a nice action. That's very smooth. It's got magnets, as you can see there in the box. So yeah, nice, just feels premium. You have the MONTREUX logo at the back there. And here's the strap, so let's get it out. Put that down. Here it is. It feels smooth and quite premium, actually. It feels really nice. So it actually does remind me a bit of the Omega Seamaster rubber strap, which is just here. And it's considerably more expensive. I think about £200 more expensive. And it's very similar. I mean, the Omega is slightly more coarse, a bit rougher, but yeah, it's very similar in feel. Yeah, so let's open the blue one up. It's going to be pretty much the same thing, but there it is. Look at that. Wow, it's very blue, isn't it? That is super blue. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, they both feel great. So let's go on to the full review. Let's talk about the pros of this strap. Starting off with the material, FKM Rubber, it does feel nice, it does feel quality. They also have quick release spring bars built into every strap. You don't need to pay any extra to have that, which is a nice feature. It allows you to change straps on and off more easily and toollessly. There's also a range of colours, so there's going to be a colour for most people, which is quite nice to have that choice. The box is very presentable and it feels quality. It definitely does a great job of mimicking that sort of luxury strap feeling. Now the strap itself is abnormally thin, allowing it to be very flexible and very pliable. That also allows it to wear very close to wrist, so most people are going to find this very comfortable to wear. It's also a nice touch to see that MONTREUX has added their logo on both the strap and the buckle. The price isn't that bad either. £36 I think is quite affordable for most people. But to make that a little bit sweeter, MONTREUX have allowed me to give you all a 15% discount using code Ripire. I gain absolutely nothing from this. This is only if you want to buy the strap. It just allows the price to be dropped down to £30 instead of £36, which I think is a little bit more agreeable. Now, before you go rushing off to buy your strap, wait just a moment longer because I'm about to go through the cons of this strap. So starting off with those quick release spring bars that I mentioned earlier. Now, for whatever reason, they're not fully secured into the watch strap, which I've never seen before, even on straps significantly less expensive than this one. For some reason, they're just loose in there, which just indicates a poor construction. I don't like that. It makes it a little bit harder to actually attach the watch strap to the watch. Another thing is their thin straps. Although they're meant to be one of the biggest selling points of the strap, I find it to be quite annoying when you have a heavier, more expensive watch attached to the strap. I put my Seamaster 300M on this strap and I just found that it was a bit unwieldy because of the weight of the watch in comparison to how thin and sort of pliable the strap was. And I didn't feel quite secure with that on, so in the end I took it off and I've put it on a cheaper watch instead. Another thing is that this design isn't original, it's just mimicking the Rolex Oyster Flex. For a lot of people that's not going to be a big issue, but if it is, something to take note of. So the buckle on this strap is another point of contention, because for whatever reason the fitment of it isn't very good and the strap is way too tight compared to the buckle, not allowing the buckle to swing freely, and it makes the whole thing feel a lot cheaper. And I'm sure the buckle is very cheaply sourced, but I have straps that are £10 that have a better buckle than this one, and it just makes the whole strap that step down a bit. I just really can't get over that buckle. So the next thing is something they've already addressed. This only comes in 20mm sizes. If you have a 22 or 19mm watch, then this is not going to fit. They are going to come out with a 22mm size strap this year, but there's nothing in the works as far as I'm aware for 19 or any other sizes. So definitely something to keep in mind. So the big question, would I recommend this strap? If you're looking to buy a luxury strap for a luxury watch, then no, this is not a luxury strap. However, if you're looking to buy a sporty strap for a affordable dive watch, then yes, I think this is exactly what this is for. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this honest review. If you want to see more like this in the future, leave a like and a comment saying so. That's this video. Goodbye.